Have you ever wondered why ducks quack or how they float on water so effortlessly? Let's dive into the world of ducks and uncover some amazing facts about these adorable creatures. From their playful antics to their remarkable adaptations, ducks hold a certain charm that has captivated humans for centuries. Join me as we explore the fascinating world of ducks, uncovering their secrets and celebrating their unique place in our world. Ducks, those charming denizens of our waterways, are more than just feathered friends we encounter at the park. They are members of the Anatidae family, a diverse group that includes geese and swans. Found on every continent except Antarctica, ducks thrive in a variety of habitats. One of the most recognizable features of a duck is its bill. Ducks possess broad, flattened bills perfect for sifting through mud and water for food. These bills have lamellae, comb-like structures that filter out insects and seeds. And who could overlook those iconic webbed feet? These natural paddles propel ducks through water with effortless grace. Duck feathers are coated in a special oil, making them waterproof. This oil keeps ducks dry and buoyant even after a dip in cold water. From their bills to their webbed feet, ducks are marvels of adaptation. Those quintessential water birds are remarkably adaptable creatures, found in a surprising array of habitats across the globe. From the icy streams of the Arctic tundra to the balmy wetlands of the tropics, ducks have carved their niche in virtually every corner of the planet where water flows. While they may be most commonly associated with serene ponds and meandering rivers, ducks have proven to be remarkably resilient, adapting to urban environments with surprising ease. Parks, canals, and even fountains have become havens for these adaptable birds, demonstrating their remarkable ability to coexist with humans. The key to their success lies in their remarkable adaptations. Take for instance their webbed feet. These natural paddles, so perfectly designed for propelling them through the water, also serve them well on land. The webbing, while essential for swimming, retracts slightly when not in use, allowing ducks to walk and even run with surprising agility. And then there's the secret behind their waterproof plumage. Ducks, like all birds, preen their feathers meticulously, but they have an added advantage. A special gland located near the base of their tail that produces a waterproofing oil. This oil, carefully distributed throughout their feathers during preening, creates a barrier that repels water, keeping them dry and buoyant even after prolonged periods in the water. But perhaps one of the most astonishing adaptations of ducks is their ability to control their buoyancy. By adjusting the amount of air trapped beneath their feathers, ducks can regulate their position in the water, allowing them to float effortlessly on the surface, dive for food, or even sleep with only their heads tucked under their wings. Ducks, with their remarkable adaptations and global distribution, are a testament to the power of natural selection and the enduring beauty of the natural world. Ducks, with their insatiable appetites and ever-present waddling, might appear to be indiscriminate eaters, but their diet is surprisingly varied and perfectly adapted to their watery lifestyle. Far from being picky eaters, ducks are opportunistic omnivores, happy to sample a diverse menu of delicacies that their wetland habitats provide. One of the staples of a duck's diet is aquatic vegetation. From the delicate fronds of pondweed to the submerged stems of water lilies, ducks are expert foragers, using their sensitive bills to graze on a salad bar of aquatic plants. These plants not only provide essential nutrients but also contribute to the overall health of the wetland ecosystem. But a duck's palate extends beyond the plant kingdom. Insects, with their crunchy exoskeletons and protein-rich bodies, are another dietary staple. Ducks are adept at snatching unsuspecting insects from the water's surface, or even diving beneath the surface to pursue their prey. Mosquito larvae, dragonfly nymphs, and water beetles are just a few of the delicacies on the duck's insect menu. And for those ducks with a taste for larger fare, small fish, tadpoles, and even crustaceans like snails and freshwater shrimp become targets. These protein-packed meals provide essential nutrients, particularly during the breeding season when ducks require extra energy to raise their young. Ducks are remarkably efficient foragers, employing a variety of techniques to secure their meals. Dabbling ducks, with their characteristic tail-up feeding posture, sift through the muddy bottom with their bills, searching for hidden treasures. Diving ducks, as their name suggests, plunge headfirst into deeper water, using their powerful legs and streamlined bodies to pursue fish and other aquatic creatures. The social side of ducks' quacks, courtship, and family life. Ducks, often seen congregating in parks and waterways, are highly social creatures, their lives a flurry of quacks, whistles, and intricate displays of communication. Far from being random noises, these vocalizations are a complex language conveying a range of messages from warnings of danger to declarations of affection. The most iconic of these sounds is, of course, the quack. Produced by females, the quack serves as a contact call, keeping the flock together and alerting others to their whereabouts. Males, on the other hand, have a more raspy, quieter call, often described as a whisper or a low whistle. During the breeding season, the usually tranquil waterways come alive with the sights and sounds of duck courtship. Males, adorned in their finest breeding plumage, engage in elaborate displays of head bobbing, wing flapping, and synchronized swimming, all in an effort to impress potential mates. Once a pair bond is formed, ducks set about the task of raising a family. Nests, often constructed of reeds, grasses, and down feathers, are carefully hidden amongst vegetation near the water's edge. The female lays a clutch of eggs, and both parents share in the incubation duties, taking turns keeping the eggs warm until they hatch. Ducklings, those adorable balls of fluff, are precocial, meaning they are born covered in down and able to walk and swim soon after hatching. The mother duck leads her brood on foraging expeditions, teaching them the ways of the duck world and fiercely protecting them from predators. Chapter 5. Ducking into trivia, fun and surprising facts. Ducks, with their seemingly simple lives, harbor a surprising number of secrets, fascinating quirks that make them even more endearing. For instance, did you know that a duck's quack doesn't actually echo? It's true. This oft-repeated fact is actually a myth, debunked by scientists who have studied the acoustics of duck vocalizations. And what about their sleep habits? Ducks are known to engage in a behavior known as unihemispheric sleep, which allows them to rest one half of their brain while the other half remains alert. This remarkable adaptation allows ducks to keep one eye open, literally, scanning for predators while they sleep. Their navigational skills are equally impressive. Many duck species undertake long migrations, flying thousands of miles between their breeding and wintering grounds. These feathered navigators rely on a combination of celestial cues, the Earth's magnetic field, and even landmarks to find their way, year after year. And let's not forget about their diverse vocal repertoire. While the quack may be the most recognizable sound, ducks are capable of producing a surprising range of vocalizations. Whistles, grunts, chirps, and even growls have been documented in various duck species, each sound conveying a specific message. Chapter 6. Ducks, those ubiquitous water birds, are true citizens of the world, their presence gracing wetlands, rivers, and coastlines across the globe. From the icy tundra of the Arctic to the lush rainforests of the tropics, ducks have adapted to an astonishing array of habitats, their adaptability a testament to their evolutionary success. In the frozen north, species like the harlequin duck, with its striking plumage and preference for fast-flowing rivers, braves the icy waters, while the common eider, known for its incredibly warm down feathers, thrives amidst the frigid landscapes of the Arctic tundra. Venture to the vibrant wetlands of Asia, and you'll encounter the mandarin duck, a vision in orange, blue, and green, its elaborate plumage resembling a work of art. This stunning duck, often considered a symbol of love and fidelity in Asian cultures, is a testament to the beauty and diversity of the duck world. South America boasts its own unique duck species like the torrent duck, which is adapted to life in the rushing waters of the Andes Mountains. Its streamlined body and powerful legs allow it to navigate the turbulent currents with ease, while its specialized beak helps it cling to rocks and snatch prey. From the familiar mallard, found on every continent except Antarctica, to the exotic and endangered pink-headed duck of India, ducks are a global treasure, their presence enriching our planet's biodiversity and reminding us of the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Chapter 7. Ducks, often relegated to the role of charming park inhabitants, play a vital role in the intricate web of life that sustains our planet's ecosystems. Far from being mere adornments to our waterways, ducks are integral components of healthy wetlands, their presence a sign of a thriving ecosystem. As voracious insectivores, ducks help to keep populations of mosquitoes, flies, and other pesky insects in check, providing a natural form of pest control. Their appetite for mosquito larvae in particular helps to reduce the spread of diseases like West Nile virus and malaria. Ducks also play a crucial role in seed dispersal. As they dabble and dive, seeds from the plants they consume are inadvertently transported to new locations, aiding in the propagation of aquatic vegetation and contributing to the overall biodiversity of the wetland. Their foraging activities also have beneficial effects on water quality. By stirring up sediment and consuming algae, ducks help to prevent excessive algal blooms, which can deplete oxygen levels in the water and harm fish populations. Beyond their ecological importance, ducks hold cultural significance in many societies. In folklore and mythology, ducks are often depicted as symbols of fertility, resourcefulness, and even trickery. Their image graces everything from ancient pottery to modern-day cartoons, reflecting their enduring presence in human consciousness. Chapter 8. From the familiar quack of a mallard to the dazzling plumage of a mandarin duck, the world of ducks is filled with wonder and delight. Their adaptability, their social interactions, and their vital role in maintaining healthy ecosystems make them fascinating subjects of study and cherished members of our planet's biodiversity. As we've journeyed into their world, we've uncovered surprising facts about their sleep habits, their navigational prowess, and their diverse vocalizations. We've explored their global distribution, marveling at the unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in environments ranging from frozen tundra to bustling cities. But perhaps most importantly, we've come to appreciate the vital role ducks play in the delicate balance of nature. As consumers of insects, dispersers of seeds, and indicators of wetland health, ducks contribute to the well-being of countless other species, including our own. As we leave the fascinating world of ducks behind, let us remember that even in the most unassuming creatures, nature reveals its boundless capacity for wonder. Ducks, with their playful antics and remarkable adaptations, remind us to appreciate the diversity of life that graces our planet. Their presence in our parks and waterways is a testament to the interconnectedness of all living things, and their conservation is a responsibility we all share. So, the next time you encounter a duck, take a moment to observe its behavior, listen to its calls, and marvel at its place in the grand tapestry of life.